to the vibration. One sound, one heart.
Respect is not a title that you gotta buy. It's the foundation before we even try. No matter if you're loud or quiet in the crowd, we see the human spirit standing tall and proud.
Oh, 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 yeah. Look beyond the surface, beyond the outer shell. Every single soul's got a story to tell. Don't need a golden crown just to prove your worth. We walk as equals on this beautiful earth. It's a feeling that connects us all, building bridges where the fences fall. Can you hear the rhythm in the air? Empathy is something we can share. We are one. Can you feel the tone? No one ever has to walk alone. Different voices singing in the same sweet song. This is the rhythm where we all belong. Yeah, respect is where it all begins. Before the game, before anybody wins, hold out your hand and let the feeling grow. That's the only truth we need to know.
I see the person standing right in front of me, not just a shadow or a memory.
It's about attitude, it's about real grace, bringing harmony into this human space. It's a feeling that connects us all, building bridges where the fences fall. Can you hear the rhythm in the air? Empathy is something we can share.
We are one. Can you feel the tone? No one ever has to walk alone. Different voices singing in the same sweet song.
This is the rhythm where we all belong. Yeah, respect is where it all begins. Before the game, before anybody wins, hold out your hand and let the feeling grow. That's the only truth we need to know.
No need for royalty, no need for hype.
Just pure connection of the human type. Empathy's the bond, the ground beneath our feet. Every time our hearts begin to